James from Act Audio, and today we got a cool new product we're going to show you from Memphis.
Okay, let's go.
So it's an MXA SB9 Memphis Extreme Audio. It is a marine grade speaker to go on your bike. Here it is. It's not that big. It's got 4 speakers in it. And it's got controls right on the top that'll work through Bluetooth to your phone. It also has a bunch of hardware, but there's 2 main ways to mount it. So you can mount it with this, left to right or up and down, and there's got some U-hooks, and they go into the back, because these are all flexible, to bend them how you need. Even this bottom piece here. There you go. So you can manipulate it as needed to do what is needed. The other way is this here, and with this one you can either go this way and slide it into the back, or you can go up and down, which is what we're gonna do, and mount it on top. This thing here, it's 100 RMS internal amplifier. It does have a line out, which is cool. I actually didn't realize that, but there's not much else really say here. So it's 2 3-inch speakers, as you can see, and then the tweeters. So we're gonna hook it up, we're gonna install it, show you guys what it looks like. Install is pretty simple, power and ground, ignition.
Can you keep a secret? I only want you when you're leaving, but I miss you.
See how loud that is. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm trying to talk. That thing's pretty impressive. So there it is. That thing was pretty impressive. What I didn't realize is when I was talking on the video is I was actually kind of yelling, and I was right next to the phone. For a little speaker, I'm actually blown away and amazed by that thing. When you're talking bikes like that and you need to do the handlebar speakers or something, I don't have high hopes. That's probably the best one that I've seen personally. I'm not saying it's the best one out there, but it's the best one that I've seen personally. I'm pretty impressed. Yeah, I don't think you'd be hearing it doing 80 with the helmet on the highway, but definitely gonna give you some tunes. Definitely worked well. It was great.